How to combine photos together on iPhone with iOS 26. So that way you can create a photo collage on iPhone. To combine photos on iPhone, we are going to make use of Shortcuts app. Shortcuts app is a free app that comes pre-installed on iOS. So in case if you don't have Shortcuts app, then you can download and install it from App Store for free. First open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap on plus icon located at the top right side. Here we are going to create a new automation. Now tap on arrow next to the new shortcut at the top and then tap on rename. Just give it a name of your choice. Now under search actions, just enter select. Now from the options, just tap on option select photos. Tap on arrow next to select photos and enable the option select multiple. That way we can select multiple photos from the Photos app. Next in the search actions, just enter combine. Tap on combine image. Tap on horizontally. And here you can set how you want your photos to be aligned. You can set horizontally, vertically or in a grid. So let's select in a grid. Next in the search actions, enter save. Tap on option that says save to photos. And once done, just go back. And here is our automation is ready. So when you want to combine photos, just tap on this automation and this will open Photos app. Now just select the photos that you want to align in a grid. Just tap on checkbox at the top. And as you can see, it has been processed now. Now if you open Photos app, you will find the photo that is combined into a grid. So that is how you can combine photos all together in iPhone with iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.